From Build Your Dream Home Today. 5 powerful reasons why start house construction in your vacant lot in Kawayan City. Here is top number 5 reason. Complete end-to-end assistance from construction to loan processing. Building a home become easier when expert handles the complicated process for you. You deserve a smooth, guided, and worry-free home construction experience. The biggest challenges in home construction is managing the following: contractors, permit, construction monitoring, loan requirements, documentation, and financing approvals. That is why our company provides complete assistance from start to finish. We will facilitate and manage your house construction, assist in pag-ibig financing application, guide you with documentary requirements, help monitor the project progress, ensure smoother coordination throughout the process. Instead of dealing with multiple people and confusing procedures, you work with one reliable team committed to helping you achieve your dream home. Your journey to home ownership should be exciting, not stressful. With our full service assistance, you gain confidence, convenience, and peace of mind every step of the way. For more details, call or text now.